of the things. So everyone wants to make extra income, right?
Yeah.
That's why we are here sitting, especially on Friday evening. So first of all, I would like to share my experience how I am getting into the business to make extra income like that. So first of all, our artistry products, it's we have two kind of health and wealth industries. One is the world's among the top prestigious skincare products. Second to none artistry, and other than Nutriway is the $5 billion business. Nutriway, vitamin supplementary. The artistry is the $1 billion beauty industry. So other than that, actually you can get 30% of profit margins out of these $100 worth of artistry products. So directly you are going to get profit out of these artistry each and every products. So first of all, you guys wants to, if you are willing to learn and willing to educate yourself, please be open-minded for your way. That's why you can have the information. And why I am chosen this opportunity, skin analysis, which is ATM machine, which we call money making machine, skin analyzer magnifier. So why I have chosen this opportunity, through this machine I am making extra income around 1,000 plus. So you guys can make depends on the persons, you can make more or less. So initially I started to use just making $100 through the business. Then I slowly increase my goals and dreams. If your dreams very smaller, all goals also going to smaller. So you want to develop, make bigger your dreams basically. Then you make your goals also very bigger. Only I want to make 200, such kind of very small amounts I got into these things. Then I come to know the potential of this skincare. People are really looking lot of skincare problems in Australia especially. So I came to know the potential of this artistic skincare because of the Miss America. She is the crown ambassador of the product. They are endorsing these products. Here also Australian actress Teresa Palmer. She is so youngest actress. She also endorsing these products. So you will come to know the quality and the value of the products. So this is among the top 8 prestigious skincare products, as everyone knows these products. So how I am making extra income? So I am going to explain now. I am going to just sharing with you. Okay. So if I done for at least 10 SAMs per month, other than facials, I'm making 1,000. Consultation fees is $30. We directly charging. Per session we are making $70 to $100 profit per person. So straight away you are getting more than $110 worth of money amount from your person. So you think about 10 people, if you have 10 clients, if you had means you think about the profit share out of that 10 persons. Other than facial you can make. So I started with the small amounts of the money, because which this way is the smarter way. I thought rather delivering such kind of paper, people are doing those kind of things. They are not thinking the smart kind of things, how to make the money. So they are spending long time and doing really hard work, very stress work with the company and not a supervisor, and as Kandan mentioned, lot of tension every day, everyone facing. So even though if you are working ladies, my suggestion is you can make it happen out of the what you are doing currently. On top of it, you can make it the profit for extra income. The beauty is non-taxable income. So with kids and families, everyone can do it. That's why I have chosen this opportunity. This SAM is is actually money making tool. And other than how I can explain to you how we can making that we do have the fantastic tools. You know, everyone talked here CDs about books. The art of dealing with the people, that book is very essential for our business. So you can learn how to connect with the people, how to associate with the people. It's very easy to lead to the business, you know, to getting more clients basically. And other than the CDs are there, how to create the volumes and increasing volumes and selling profit, you know. Jopiam, that CD is really amazing, fantastic. Rather I'm explaining, you go through that volume is creating value, you know. That CD is really, and a lot of ladies panel CDs every now and then we are getting from through the SOCD book, you know. Every month we are getting through the SOCDs. So that's also fantastic tools to helping to develop your business. Other than, you know, yes, and yeah, and one more thing, who are all new here, new prospect, new IPOs, before doing anything, you know, implementing, check with our, you know, you should check with your uplines, because this is my personal experience. So everyone have the personal different, you know, various way to successful, you know, to get the successful things. So you just, you know, check with your upline before doing anything. And other than how I am, you know, making 1,000, you know, so 10 SAMs, if I book 10 SAMs, so every month, just for, you know, for minimum things, you know, average and least. So consultation is $30 means you just think about 10%. Straight away you are getting $300. Okay, yeah. Straight away you are not doing anything action. Just consultation and analysis means just you are talking and doing some information gathering about them. So other than you are getting through this, if 10 people place the order, at least, you know, average at least 350 PV, you are straight away getting 300 PV. So 350 PV. Yes. So your, you know, your PV, monthly PV 100 already done. Okay, done. Yeah, no problem, no taking care. Your business is already started, you know, has been started. So you are qualified for second week night owl automatically. No need to think about to make 100 PV for second week qualification. Which means you are going to have that special training by, you know, particular persons. So who those very successful doing this business. It's really amazing and fantastic training you are going to get that one. And other than you are going to get profit margin as well. So I'm making roughly, you know, monthly out of this, you know, turnover mostly 1,400. So out of this 400 you are making, you know, 700 to yes $700 profit. This 1,000 is different. With 300 is consultation only. This is the profit margins. 30% of profit margins out of this, you know, 1,400. So you are getting $700 to $800 every month. So you think about your exist clients. They, you know, already you made the group. So what they are getting, you know, they are placing orders also different. That's also including, you know, extra income. Other than you are going to make the facial. These days, you know, Nick and Diana, they are so expert on this. So you go through that CD. You ask your upline who is coaching you, that who are all new, you know. You ask your upline for Nick and Diana CD. Artistry clients. Artistry clients CD. And consultation clients and consultant. Yes, consultant. Nick and Diana. Nick and Diana CD. It's really amazing. After we, you know, gone through these CDs, every ladies are here started to doing so much of, you know, wow, really the SAM. They are making so much of profit out of this business, you know, out of this SAM and the facial things. Other than, you know, every now and then we have the ladies conference and Going Diamond Smita, you know, last couple of months ago she gave the phone conference. Lot of nuggets out of her talking. Everyone, you know, gathering so much of information. So to make extra profit out of this business. So, and yes, some of them maybe new to this business, but they are not doing nothing, they didn't know anything, then they will criticize the business. But you should stay in the business, should be stay in that track, which means stay, plug into the systems, stay in the process, then only you can how to make the profit, everything. But instantly you can't get the fruit. You have to put the seed first, then grow up. You have to maintain that plant growing up, then only you will get the fruits. So you have to be wait in this process. So some people, this business is not working to me, doesn't work. I didn't make any money out of this business. I spent my lot money, they are telling, but they didn't realize anything. They are not getting proper education, everything. So they are not willing to ready, to educate themselves. That is the main problem with the business. And other than exactly how I am making this money, everyone everyone wants to know about how we want to make 1,000 plus every month, isn't it? More than 1,000 plus also everyone can make. Depends on the persons, based on the persons you can make. Because Nick and Diana, now how much she is making? You can imagine 1,300,000 per month, ongoing income she is making. When she started, first year, nothing, no profit share. She didn't get anything. Second year, she made $2,000 out of her business. So now, $13,100. You just imagine, now we are started. So we are also, she also same like us. So we also will make it happen. So, you have to put actions. That's the main thing. And you have to set your mindset. We have to set priority. So we can also achieve the same things, one day. Definitely. So how we want to make $1,000 more than plus. So first of all, we want to follow these things. We do have 4 basics in our business. Showing the plan, contacting, listing, inviting, show the plan. Like this we can do for SAM as well. Yes. First of all, list. How to make this money means it's not very easy, but very simple. You just follow the successful people's principles who are all succeeded in the business. Not only this business, every business we should follow some rules and regulations for from the successful principles people. Then first is list, then is contact. Okay, contacting list from your A list. Okay, A list in the sense you have friends and neighbors who are very well, but they are not joined this business. You can start from this skin analysis and facial from there. Okay, that is the A list. And there also B list and C list is there. And contacting is different type, which means the cold contact is there. Yeah, cold. And there is the new method introduced by Nick and Diana, the magic box. So, and one more thing, you can go through that Smita Sagela's MP3 audio. There is the link. You